la ka tiang chai nyor ka dung din media ka chang wal baro ko pai warau karon kin dang rau de jandang rau de diech agan mak bangut gog be nong la de kon la nu yen chang ka dung din media ka tilat ka rod de region of Sudan ken win mo na do dien an wala ka chang wal baro ko pai warau dung din media be nong la de very specific about Gambela region ba roi ka koran da na channel linga Gambela ka kon dang rau ti man ko ai chuba wala ma ken yam ba condolence message ba ko jaka nuor ko da Gambele in general kata dan in chukuri nyingeje ne de kono jiliwo ke our condolence message in specific ba waka families la nuor de kon ci gad ken ci liwre ko dan cha ter ka Gambele ka kor wala kama so lar mu lar ne ko de ala Gambele ko shung ne kel ye kon nuor nana kre ga dan en ci jak mere wada bala condolence message no work no ko ken one ko ken ku me yola Gambele we all feel it ku anaran take a wade mi ata Gambele ni mi de ko me yek condolence message mo we ji in particular ko chung ne kel ke jubo wa ndara titi men di odien bala congratulatory message congratulation mo we ka nuore la nuore Gambele to kontra Gambele nuore kontra Gambele mi ala de kana wale. It is what we all expect. Kon wara dial no kwamo ken ku di ladaken. Ku kor channeling kon dial te Gambele. As we always talk ku ne la talk kor kan wara la talk jeke bar. We talk about reason de la bar ga ter kan wara Gambele. Lar kane o Gambele dorian which is not true. Gambele don wara kan bar ka majangar ko kome ka dur ko ken about 5 tribe ka Gambele region. So for that reason bara kan nuore ko chicken one ka Gambele mai ka dora no mo jo kor che continuous ke run reality manene this year nen kon la na nuore kam nuor zun kan Gambele ton mi na weje na so lia mo che continuous recently kan ni nagrawati ki lia che wotu ore ya ka Gambele ki bar chi ke jen chi ke nuore ti ta ka bang to official ti lar ka bang ni am kel mo manager of the bank I'm Kelmo candidate of PhD, more lecturer at the University of Gambela. Chaka attack along with community leaders. Chaka that was the spark me talk problem ka Gambela ka kon in Dangrawood. So I'm here I mo at the thin pan karun wang bar chika officer. Police officer mo wunwara na wandang naga muktabde. Akan bar yabu dwan mach chanak. There she retaliation che place che tek. Shinware chika ramme bar more police officer equivalent equal to Ramadan and H kan na garunwang chwanak so no more chukor chwan tukde this morning ka changa walbaro chinware chigo wadong measure latpan that was the end ko charandi nak and they retaliate karunwang dan chibar chigi jien kwan the dial ka nyak zun chiga benaka gok chiga benaka aboba chika jere ra Gambel cha dor mala chwal bier sab mo sabab mi to Gambela ton cha wa attack no mo area mo distant kan nuor o ken ta ka part of Gambele nan so they attack that area cha na ya na ken ko cha ne de kon da tin cha overwhelm ko ngwan ken mbake cha area mo tot cha chwa da ken cha na nak cha na ya na juj that was the early morning story man chorlel in the midday Chinuar kon na ni yen du ni ken chiga ben so ma chiga beno charo den dak tang ken jara mat ka bier sab gwa na ni chikur tok tin ko runwang tang ken chang wo ka hat of the Gambela ton dor ma chalo minanga ken dor ma jara tier juene taro ken the hat of banyak dun area ka Gambele kor ma ya ter tin ka gwa chang daran dan chen dor mo che chwat chen dor mo ma chalo minanga che dak min the center of banyak to official loken di altin to kum ni ken di alta go tin to development ni ken che ko de business ni ken che ke sexual activities la ko area mo this is the area where you can say it again the main town Kanyuak community in Gambela so area much are destroyed that is the reason why we say congratulations as the first thing inside Gambela town today retaliation no Mera ude jala kuru chiro balat ka guatyang ka abol. Abol is the area mela odi spot. Mela na yaku ne long the Gambela route kam Gambela ken kwergang ta dor jala abol dor jala kade ko dor ken de ka lanyamo is bango baro river. Dor to cha abol mo cha tax ke this afternoon nor cha dak cha chwat la dor ko ken along the corridors of the river. We don't know the area, the area more threat. No one la can chang go area ba ball, go eradication. Go bar contaga ball or a mad quick. Is bang adut kanwar. And that is the whole message we always talk. And one le, go chikora much of naka ball, cha ball cup, a waka kade, a waka wishum. That mean by lines of the East Bank. Because so bad the Banagaitang, be connect, Kenwar zone. Tell barman one. The Barbie go quick. Thread and Anna Belluin canor, the Benala Jin a queer, Shabelong what can lie more, which is a victory. May we say congratulations, Commandant Shalat, Kawachang Daramo, Nika Gambele, a manabol. Well, more conman go on and Gambele, Kore. We always say the word sheer Kor Gayab. As a dominant newer section, Kagambele. A core newer ideal because of the produced. Tinkona Jokona Gambela as a newer Tarangikan. Chagajang it, Chalong it, Chajikaino King it, Chajibantio it, Chajipangang it, and around Mita Gambele is benefiting as a newer Kichut Gambel Mamunan. Which means any problem of Gambella, more than any problem of Concord is our concern as a Noor community. So, in Micheria, the more, you the support, Noor Dial, whatever is happening in Gambella, plus we story done, Concord our migration, la movement, is word. Is word, me peg de, me Gambella, but peg a Gambella, come better at we still continues. Because we started in the 11th century, we ban a wonk you. Then I'm a cup control come. So, the issue of Gambella, an issue of life, Canades, that nobody can say, well, you know, where Gambella, the Bakadote. Kolar corner go, nobody can remove Noor in Gambella. The only thing that is need of you, it will be for attack. Be a gang, Karamala, Jago, Shabichanka Gambella. And will be a gang be a strategy. Strategy will be a mutually existential threat. She can security, but more, may Shengi Jago. Mongolian over a permanent solution. Permanent solution, la lane Yanishango, a queer, could be a queer, be a nang. Queer, la queer gambel. Ka is bang. Or barrow river, Kelu. Nangaye. So, Moya nang. That will be a permanent solution. Kadungbar. Kudi kumebunya. Ngaye. And the main problem of Gambella. Ngaye wo yindi Gambel, the Lanwara Gambel, la talk on your problem about. One reason barang ngay kume Ethiopia. So up to this day, but in Gambella mo, ngay kume Ethiopia, you are majority. Kagayan part of Gambella. Not only Gambella, and part of Ethiopia. Historically. For that reason, Barokij, not the year, the solution of Gambella and the problem Gambella, the Ben can reasonable. We know about Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government, Chairman Larne Lishang in order corner Gambella. You know how to deal with it. The issue of land Gambel, Canada, it take a ramatability. So wherever there is a security problem, solution will be people living in that area. Yen waro corner to Gambele, and take a beer a sub, nip point a Gambele, open a gaitang, and come over security never go. We will stay there. Yen be a lot, Shibla Kume Ethiopia. You need only organize yourself. Be a did kun, a ladin war, the retired government official. Did you call her Kume Ethiopia, Tingai Kume, teacher organized as Agarishumagiloj. A ladit. Biaga jaba kizma ba wasa looking. To like a Kume Ethiopia. Go to find a permanent solution for Gambella problem, a Barokwi. Kuyer me have a Nurtin and a Nurtin. That is the only thing. A Mr. Kano, Again, message and we can give to our people. Number one, a condolence. Number two, we congratulate them. Who successfully operation Mugwa, Chaladakan in retaliation. In retaliation to Menana Chaladake, a bar. That we always say, who Gambele, solution de, problem in the thing is only Michi Bar, Micha Nora, Micha Ganyot, bar retaliate. Yen Nora Micha Nyot a bar, be I told. Should la dinian, me I told a deed, bar bega de tar. The bar bega one. Go no. Chiloina Ted, Kimi Yala, you continuous, protect yourself, to need the altar, which you can.